Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will see how we export Microsoft Power BI report into the different type of format like in PPT, in the PDF or any other format. So that thing we are going to see in this tutorial. In the previous tutorial, we have seen like how we create the Power BI account and how we publish the report into the Power BI account. So those things we have seen in the previous tutorial. So before proceeding with this tutorial, I recommend you please see part 29 and 30 of this tutorial series, so you will get an idea how to publish a report into the Power BI. So let's go to the Power BI service. So basically in this Power BI service, we have like this is the Power BI service which we have published here, and here it is showing all the pages. So this is the report we like published in the last tutorial. So we want to export this service now, this report now. So basically for exporting into the different tab, here you are looking one tab called file. When you will go in the file, you can see here like download report into .pbix. We can download from here, we can export to PDF, we can export to PowerPoint, and even we can publish to the web. So basically currently I'm not able to do this one because we have the temporary email like account for this one, so that is not applicable for us. But we can do like once we will publish to the web, we will get one URL. So that URL we can share with the management and they can go to the particular URL and they can access the report. And even we can print the report. Like once we click on this print, we can save or print to the that specific page. And if we want to as per our requirement, we can like print it out. And apart from this, like we can like export to PDF and all these things. So for like downloading all these things take a little time. So for like time constant, I have already download or export to the PDF. So I'm going to show you like in the export how it looks in the PDF. So I have downloaded here. So it look like this, like it exported all the pages here. So we can see like it is showing 1 to 9 pages. So once you go here, we can see like here we have 9 pages here. So all those 9 pages has exported into the PDF. So this first page, it is looking like this. In the second page, it is looking all this report. In third page, we have created these things, and in the fourth page, all these things is showing. And why like this? So this is the report which we have implemented. So all the report is basically we have exported into the PDF format. So this is the way like we can export our report into the different type of format into the Power BI service. So that is all about this tutorial. If you have any question or doubt, please comment. Thank you.